Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I hope you are fine. My dear friend, today my topic is about basic knowledge for staircase design. In this lecture, I want to cover 4 key points for you. The first one is number of steps. The second point is horizontal distance. The third one is waist length. And the fourth one is pitch angle. This is the horizontal length. This is pitch angle. And this is the length of waist. Now start the solution. First of all, we need to find the number of steps, which equal to h divided by riser height. The h is 11 feet and the riser height is 6 inch, which equal to 0.5 feet. The number of steps is 22 numbers. Now find the horizontal length. Formula: use number of steps multiplied by 1 tread size. The number of steps is 22 multiplied by 0.66 feet. This is the size of tread. Horizontal length is equal to 14.52 feet. This is the horizontal length. Now find the waist length. The waist length find by Pythagoras theorem. 14.52 square plus 11 square under root. Waist length is equal to 18.21 feet. This is waist length. Now turn to second page and find the angle. We know that tangent theta is equal to perpendicular divided by base. Tangent theta is equal to 11 feet divided by 14.52. The 11 feet is the perpendicular and 14.52 this is base or horizontal length. Tangent theta is equal to 0.75. Theta is equal to tangent inverse multiplied by 0.75. The angle is equal to 36.86. This is the angle. My dear viewer, this horizontal distance is very important. If you done a little bit mistake in this horizontal distance, then there will be problem in the construction of this step, and especially in last step. You remember this point in your mind. This is so important for you. Thank you so much for watching. Inshallah, see you with another video. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. My coming video is about the estimation of this stair. Thank you. Bye bye.